Yeah, well dead. The fuck down. Second fucking time.
Where are they at?
Yeah, we're complete out.
I'm trying to make it across so I can push up on him.
Alright. You're shooting in random spots.
Should I push over there?
I don't know. Yeah. I think he's dead. Yeah, he's got a dead rag on. I think you're good. The guy... Hey, the guy that shot you guys up, is he... See that dead rag back there? I'm pretty sure that guy's the guy that's been shooting us up. No, stop. He's dead. Oh shoot, other side of the box. This side. Get back. Oh, right there by the box. Left side of the box at least. I just saw him push up. No, and my thing can't get through those stupid bushes. What? No. Just hold our spot. I don't think he knows we're here though, so just. Hey, guy, we're way down. Shoot. Way down at the end of the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Except for my thing doesn't get that. No. Down at the end of the road.
Okay, well, there's this dude behind this box.
Oh, right. I can see him, he's just down there. These guys carry 1,000 rounds. Alright. We got one guy at the end of the road though. I don't know if that guy's hit or not back there. Alright. I think you're good. I know he's behind the box over here. No. Nope, stay here. Wait a minute. Alright, watch that box. You just gotta hold this defense. This thing, I have a box in the way of where he is. Alright. Yeah, you're good. Yep.
Are you really fucking kidding me right now?
Hey, you're still firing at us.
I'll watch that corner, he's still there.
Who the fuck are you shooting at the goddamn wall?
Hey, by the box! Left side of the box. I do not have a visual. Hey, you behind the box, Max? There you go. This is a very awkward position for me.
If he wants to be like that, I'll just go get an admin. I mean, I am one myself too, but that's cool.
Yeah, I know. I saw him split second and then he started shooting. You know if he's still there? Hit! Dang it. Stay down. It's 2 minutes. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. Got me right in the head. 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. He's right here. He's right down the hallway. Or he's right down the road. Hey, we got one guy in the road! Shoot, that was stressful. I have no idea where he went. Shoot, he's right there. He's right there. Duck, duck, duck. One guy in the road. Right side. Hey, watch yourself.
Yeah, I am tan. Tan?
Shoot, 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 shoot.
No, I'm not.
Not a good spot.
Not hit.
I'm in a very awkward position right now. Hey, we got guys on the left side. One, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32. Hey, make a dead sprint towards the white truck once we get back. 50, 51, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60, 45, 67, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Alright, let's make a run for the white truck. You're good. You're back in. There's a guy back there. Hey, one right behind us. We gotta make a run for that truck. Hold on. Let me put my dead ragger away. This thing can talk to.
Hit.
Shoot. Hit! Ah! Right in the butt. Dead?
Oh,
Sorry.
well, he was running. I assumed he was alive.
Alright, I'm going. Come and get you.
getting medal for like the best medic, dude. Holy fuck, it's like the third time you killed me.
I got more medics than I have kills.
There's a ton of these guys up here. I can't fucking see them though.
Yeah, me too.
Good man walking.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, No, I'm good. I got water. It's hot. Everybody's got water. Nice. Hey, I got you. I got you. Oh, 1, 2.
Nice one, man.
Hey, we got more back there.
What? More behind us? Where'd you come from? No, I just moved back here.
Oh, never mind. We're good then.
No.
6 or 7.
What the fuck? Here, the new fruit to the environment. It's called the aquafina fruit.
Back in.
What's it looking like up there?
I think that sniper, that's a YouTube sniper guy. I think he went to go get the package.
Where is he?
Did they take our package?
Yeah, I think he went over to go get some of their stuff.
Yeah, too.
You can probably go down the road and get around.
I might move around. Where'd you say they were?
What?
Where'd you say they were? Over there?
No. We can probably walk around and go get.
Dude, we need to stick with hey, you guys need to stick with us.
Alright, yeah.
Did they take our packages?
I probably at this point if they're... I have no idea where the heck they are.
What's up?
Did you see what the fuck I did? I was like...
Dude, I can't see anybody, so like everybody starts shooting. I'm just like, oh, that's a good spot to shoot.
Go mobile.
Alright. Watch out for the deadly vines. Yeah, I just ate it 10 minutes ago. Shoot, just sank. Yeah, I know, I'm moving in. Hey, this is a good spot. Not sure if I just got that guy because I was shooting in his direction. I'm not sure if I got him or not. I was just laying down suppression. Yeah, let's go in. You gotta stick with them, they know what they're doing. Hey, we're moving in. Hey, are you tan?
Yeah,
No, you're green. Okay, my bad, my bad. You want your gun back?
Oh, love my gun back.
There you go.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Hey, Ethan.
Yeah?
Nose?
Oh, no, it's not.
Hey, do we have our stuff still?
Oh, yeah, we are.
Yeah. Alright, get up here. Come on, upstairs, quick.
We meet again.
Shoot. I lay it on a thorn.
Who wants to do an hoorah charge?
What's an hoorah charge?
Fucking Soviet Union, dude. World War II.
Hoorah!
Hoorah!
Let's go shoot.
Like hundreds of people start running at him before he shoots.
How many are there?
What? We already went through there. There's nothing there.
I'm not aware of it. We got.
Hey, do we still have stuff? Or do we lose it?
No, do we have stuff still? Yeah.
I think we have everything.
There's the water.
Okay, look.
Right here.
Although we did have 3 cans in the truck, and that's where they were at. So
Look.
Yeah, one of them's right there, isn't it? The orange one?
Should I go check the truck?
Where the fuck is all the green? Because that guy over there said all the green's been not been here for hours.
So we got green right here at our 3 o'clock. We got some green over there about 5 meters out of 1.
Hey, I think he said hit.
They said it.
That was a lot of shots towards.
More. What happened?
I think one guy pushed into a very unlucky spot. Shoot, I got thorns everywhere. Dude, we just lit that guy up.
We all just shoot for it.
Yeah, I will like mini.
And it's so wooded that you can't see where the heck they are, so you just like, everybody's just like.
Was that us?
I think that's tan.
Dan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dan.
Yeah, it's tan.
What do you boys want to do? Where's our stuff at?
I want to take the time, right?
one thing's right there.
We can find out as soon
Where's all the gas cans at? It's my question.
Hey, hold up.
We need to check the truck.
Yeah,
3 in the
hey,
truck.
you said you guys go check the truck. I'm gonna go. Anybody else want to come?
3 people max.
Yeah, we need to check that truck.
We don't want everybody going up to the truck.
If they're in there, grab them, bring it back up here, load up.
Wait, the red truck?
Yeah, we're looking at the red
The
truck.
red truck.
Shoot. I think it was when I was reviving you, I laid down on a big thing of thorn bushes. I got my stomach and, yeah. Alright, we got one of the buckets back.
No, we got gas can.
Nice.
That's only one.
High ground. Hey, right on your left is the water truck, or water can thing. Yeah.
We got that gas
Hey, they're about to throw a grenade in from the fucking right side.
Are you tan?
Yeah, that's the water.
I can't tell if he's tan or green or not. I think he's tan.
Grab that yellow there over there.
Hey, is this guy tan right here?
Grab the yellow.
What you guys looking at?
Guy walking towards us. Never mind, he's dead. Doesn't matter. I think he's tan.
Reagan, it's underneath the truck.
Cross him.
Reagan. Reagan. It's down there. It's down
You're
there.
dead.
What? I don't know.
It means end game, end game.
Oh, cool. Game
over!
Yay!